Hello everybody and welcome back on my channel. My name is Alex and today we're gonna make this easy exercise in SolidWorks. And we have here the drawing. This is it. And let's go ahead and do this. First, let's open a new SolidWorks document, select your part and press OK. Now let's make this plane white. Now we'll start with a sketch in the top plane. And here we'll make two circles. So select circle, make two of them like this, and now with smart dimension let's define them. First, this one, the small one, will have the diameter 30 millimeters. And the big one will have it 40. Now let's go to features. And let's use Extruded Boss Base command. And here we're gonna keep it blind and the length for this, the depth will be 120 millimeters. Press OK. Now let's open a new sketch in the front plane. And here select line and let's make the next sketch. We're gonna start from this midpoint and we'll go like this, and then we'll make here an arc. So if you go back, if you go away from this point and then you go back, the line it will transform into an arc. Let's make here an arc and then we'll close the sketch like this. One line here and one back up to this point. Now select this point and select here make tangent. Alright, now with smart dimension let's give some dimensions. First, from this center point to this line here will be 45 millimeters. And then this arc will have the radius 15. And now the angle from this line to this one here will be 12.11. Now select circle and let's make here another circle. This one will have the diameter 12 millimeters. Now let's go to features and use Extruded Boss Base command. Alright. Now here we'll have to change some of these settings. First of all, we'll have to change here, instead of sketch plane, offset. The offset will be 10 millimeters. Make sure that it's like this and not the other way around. Alright, here we're gonna keep it blind and the depth will be also 10. Now press here OK. And this is looking good. Now we'll have to mirror this on this other side. To do that, we'll go up here to liner pattern and click on this arrow. Here we'll find mirror pattern. Mirror. And click on it. Now we'll have to select here the mirror face plane. And we'll click on this arrow. And from here we're gonna choose front plane. Okay, now the features to mirror will be this part, which is the last boss extruded. Select it, and now we should be able to see the preview. If you cannot see the preview, select here this one. And now press here OK. Alright, now we can see that we have this extra material inside and we want to cut it. Select this face, open a sketch, select circle, and let's make here a circle. Select this circle with this edge and select here make radial. Now go to features and use Extruded Cut, and here we're gonna keep through all, press OK, and it's clean. Alright, now the next thing we'll have to do is to open a sketch on this face again. And here let's select this arc and select here convert entities command. Now we'll select line and let's make these three lines like this. Starting from these points, make sure that we have here this tangent. Alright, and now let's select center point arc, and let's make here an arc. One like this, and then another one a little bit smaller. Now select these points and select here make vertical. Do the same with this. Okay, now select line and let's close this. Two arcs like this. And now with smart dimension, let's define them. First, this one will have the radius 40 millimeters. And this one will have the radius 25. From this center point to this one here will be 80 millimeters. And now we should select this center point with this one and select here make horizontal. Now we'll use trim and tease command to cut these extra parts of the lines. We don't need them. And now let's go ahead and use from features extruded boss base command. And we'll have to select these two profiles that we want to extrude. And now again we'll have to select here instead of sketch plane offset. And the offset this time will be 6 millimeters. Make sure that the offset is going down and not above our part. We'll have to click here on this to change the direction. Now the extrusion we also want it to go down, and we'll have to change here the direction also. Now the depth of this extrusion will be 11 millimeters. So here should be 11. And now press here OK. Now we'll have to open a new sketch on this face this time. And here we want to convert from the last sketch this part with these two arcs into our new sketch, so we don't have to make them again. To do this, we'll go up here to convert entities command. We'll click on this arrow. We'll go to boss extruded 3, click on this arrow, select the sketch, and we can see it selected here. Then press here OK. Now we have the sketch converted into our new sketch. Now what we want to do is to extrude only this part, only this profile. To do that, we'll go to features, extruded boss base command, and we'll only select this one, not this one also. Now here we want it to be for the direction 1, 2 millimeters. And for the direction 2, we want it 13 millimeters. In total should be 15. Press OK. And now this should have the thickness 11 and this one 15. If we want to make sure that it's right, go to evaluate, go to measure, and let's see, click on this face and this one. We can see here 11. Do this again. But for this one, and we can see here 15, which means that it's okay. Now we'll have to apply some fillets. So let's go ahead and select fillet. The radius will be 2 millimeters. And we'll select this with this one, this, a few edges here and there. And this one, yeah. And I think this should be all. Now press here OK, and this is it. this is our part for today. This was the tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.